So here we've got another Japanese cherry, and as you can see we've got some branches that have flopped out, and this one has flopped to the ground. It looks quite unsightly and it does nothing for the tree, and now is the moment to just whip off this little branch. And when we look, we've got one or two other branches that are starting to flop down, and we want the tree to grow up and not waste energy on these small bits, so let's tidy them up as well. A bit of a drooping branch there, just get rid of that. And here's more potential trouble for the future, and that's a crossover branch again, so we'll just whip that out as well. Again, we've been fairly ruthless, but doesn't the tree look a better shape for what we've done? And in the long run, we'll have a much better tree. And just look how gloriously that's flowering at the moment.